The world's development is always driven by creation. We outline a new blueprint for the future of self-service retail by form of global creation. We integrate more intelligent and safer products with artificial intelligence, IoT, cloud service, and big data. We make complicated things simpler, only to provide world-class intelligent retail devices for the opening up of a new era of smart retail. As the world's leading provider of self-service retail systems, TCN has been exploring the future of the retail industry and leading to a new era of smart retail, from self-service vending machines to unmanned retail systems, from China to more than 100 countries all over the world. TCN is now creating its glorious history of smartly made in China. From new retail to world-leading concepts, the top-level designs make more things possible for TCN. TCN has set up a global R&D center with international team members. TCN's efficient R&D team takes full advantage of cutting-edge technologies to offer smart solutions to meet your various expectations for smart retail. In the workshops covering an area of over 150,000 square meters. There are dozens of automated manufacturing systems with stringent QA/QC control over more than 100 processes, ranging from metal plates to finished products. We build a trustworthy and reliable brand for TCN with modern manufacturing and attention to detail. With close cooperation between dozens of teams in every hour. Tens of thousands of components manufactured without discrepancy every day. And almost 10,000 vending machines created every month. We use ingenuity and dedication to create perfection for TCN. Our powerful intelligent SaaS operation management system enables real-time error notifications, running status monitoring, data analysis, and exploiting to guarantee the smooth operation of hundreds of thousands of vending machines, with millions of customers served every day, billions of commodities sold every year, and tens of billions of CNY sales made every year. It makes it possible for efficient but easy management of income and expenditure. TCN has provided solutions to hundreds of thousands of customers all over the world, covering such fields as food and beverage, fresh fruits and vegetables, dairy products, fast food boxes, coffee and milk tea, and frozen drinks, with a 100% year-on-year increase in its sales amount. TCN has reached strategic cooperation with many world-famous brands and close cooperation with many world-class suppliers. We create remarkable user experience to make TCN a world-famous vending machine brand. To change or to be changed. To expect or to be expected. TCN is now creating a new era. There are invisible, diligent details behind all those visible conveniences. TCN is redefining the Chinese vending industry and leading the world's vending industry with innovation.